we have designed our major to be flexible. So we have 5 core classes, and all of the other hours are made up of any of our upper division electives. And so that gives you the opportunity to finish up relatively quickly if you're maybe end of sophomore, junior, maybe even a senior. But it also gives you a lot of variety in terms of the electives that you can take. So flexibility is one of them. We also, in terms of our capstone experiences, we don't just require an internship, or we don't just require a research project that you work on with the faculty. We give you the option of choosing one of those. So I think one of the key reasons why students should pursue the degree is because this is one of the key skills that a lot of employers are looking for. Basically, for the last quarter of a century, employers have been looking for 3 key skills: leadership, ability to effectively communicate in teams, and effective oral and written communication skills. Those are pretty much the top 3 of every survey of new employers. And so we basically handle and can help provide students with all 3 of those. Obviously, we're the Communication Studies department, and we offer lots of opportunities for giving presentations in classes, but also we have a master's in communication and leadership, and so we've infused a lot of leadership studies into many of our classes, and we feature teamwork in many of our courses as well. So we're trying to really equip our students with all of those top skills that new employers are looking for. We really want our new students to engage with us right away. And so some of the key ways that our new students will do that is through partaking in activities through our communication club. We also house both the debate team as well as the mock trial team, and have a lot of students that come in with some experiences like those or relevant to those from high school that really get them set up for success at Washburn. We also have the NAL Speak Off competition, which is a public speaking contest made up of participants from public speaking class. A lot of freshmen take those. And so those are some of the key ways that we like to get first year students involved. I would say meet your professors. However you can. And I know that we're in a new world, and so it's a little bit different, but one of the key things that sets Washburn apart is the professors and the ability for students to engage with those professors. And so don't be afraid to connect with professors before or after class, or meet in some way during office hours. Those relationships are going to give you a whole other aspect to your education that a lot of schools are lacking, in my opinion. Well, I think one of the key ways that we support our students is through scholarships. This past year, so going into the 2020-2021 academic year, we provided more scholarships than we have ever given before, thanks to our many generous donors. We have over 7 named scholarships that we provide every year. And so that's one of the key ways that our department specifically supports students. Some of the other ways that we support students are through Honor Society work, our Lambda Pi Eta. Honor Society is one way that we kind of engage with students a little bit to provide some support. Our communication club also has talked a little bit about providing maybe some tutoring for some students that have communication apprehension. We haven't done too much with that yet, but those are some of the ways that we are working towards helping our students in various ways. Communication majors that have graduated from Washburn have gone and done a lot of various things, actually. We have a lot of students that have connected with places of employment through their internships, and then have gone on to work for them. Advisors Excel, which is one of the biggest companies here in Topeka, is one of them. We've had students that have worked for area chambers of commerce, either in Topeka or for the state of Kansas. We have also had students that have gone into government work and that have worked as liaisons with state legislatures, or done some lobbying work as well. We currently have one that's working in the governor's administration. So there's lots of opportunities in terms of public relations, a little bit of marketing, and sales is another big one that many of our students have done. They've gone into the insurance industry. They have gone on and run their own car dealerships, for instance. Yeah, so the communication degree, I think, really sets you up with some practical skills, but a lot of theoretical ideas that can be applied to many different fields. so I think that, again, that flexibility that we offer our students is really valuable.